Yes, good evening and welcome to Global Gift TV. In today's video, I'll just do a preview. Let me say a short video on how ChatGPT works. ChatGPT is a website that do automation of words. Some of words is an artificial intelligence created by some people. ChatGPT, it helps individual to write their, maybe you want to write article, you want to write words, it helps you to do it. And so let's go to ChatGPT now. Let's log into our account there. Let's log in our account and see how it works. Okay, if you want to register, we are going to use OpenAI to register, but in this video I'll just be doing a preview for you. Okay, just wait. Okay, let's try this one again. Let's try and log in. Yes, we are going to log into our ChatGPT account now. Put my email there. Put my email. Continue. Put my password. Yes, this bot work massively. To just okay, let's put something there like how to make money online. Just see how this bot is very mad. He's just writing everything you want. Have you seen it? It's giving you steps that you can even make money online. Just a bot. See, and this is what I'm saying, guys. I'm not writing anything. No. The site is writing everything for us. And you see, starting a blog site is very mad, I swear. Assuming you are a blogger or you are a freelancer, you can also use this one to even make money for yourself. I'm not writing anything. No. It's the one bringing everything for me. And by a blogger, can use this one to even write your blog. Remember, it's the that. Have you seen? Stop there. You just bring 7 topics, 7 lines for me to make money online. Without me not writing it, it's bringing everything for me. That's how this ChatGPT works. My next video, I'll be doing a preview on how it works generally. Let's write something like, you can even solve maths. That is just the good thing of this. Can also solve maths. Okay, let's write something else. Okay, still continue this one. Okay, let's write another one. Okay, let's write, okay, like blogger now, 5 ways to take care of your finance. Okay, let's say a blogger writing this one now. Finances. Okay, let's see. It's bringing everything for you, so you can see. I'm not writing anything, guys. I'm not writing anything. No. You're watching this video. I'm not writing anything at all. It's the one writing everything for me. And what's great about this thing that you can do anything. You can even write article for you. Let's say you want to write article on how you. Let's say article. You want to write article on. Let's say, which one will you say? Oh, okay, let's try something else. Say something else. Okay, let's article on the best time. Okay, the best community in Nigeria. Give me an article like that. Just write the best article in Nigeria. This bot is thinking, it started. Okay, are you seeing now? We'll continue writing everything you want. You can even write essay for you. Just to show you the preview of this. That's how you're writing it for you. That's how it works. My next video I'll be showing you how it works and how you can use it to make money for yourself.